Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and if you are new here, I want to say a big thank you to you on clicking on this video. I make tutorials on hair such as braids, cornrow, crochet braids, weave, and much more. I also do simple makeup tutorials for those who are new to makeup. And if you like what you see, please do not forget to press the subscribe button below, like, comment, and also do not forget to press that bell down below and join this family. Today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how I cornrow my own hair. I recently cut my hair and I'm just showing you guys how I cornrow my own hair. I hope you stay tuned until the end of this video. I have a detailed video on how to cornrow. If you're new to cornrowing or you're new to hair and you just want to learn how to really cornrow, I have a video up on my channel, and I will try to leave a link down below so that you can check it out and learn how to cornrow your hair. But this video, I'm going to be showing you how I cornrow my own hair. And yeah, what I did, I sectioned a part of my hair out, I took an extension and I started to cornrow, and I cornrow everything back. My hair is pretty short, it's not that long, but I still manage to be able to do my own cornrow. It may not turn out the best, but I was still able to cornrow my own hair. So you section a part of hair that you want to cornrow, you take an extension and you're going to start to cornrow your hair. When I'm doing this, sometimes my hand may get tired and I will stop for a few seconds and I will come back right to the cornrow. So as you can see, I just attached the hair to my hair and I cornrowed that all the way back. And this is what I did with my hair. And what I did, I cornrowed them, but after I'm done, I just cornrow all the hair from one side of the my head to the other side. So that is what I do, and I use this. You can use this for crochet braids if you're new and you're just trying to grow your hair out. This is a very good protective hairstyle for you, especially if you're natural. This is an amazing way to grow your hair out. And yeah, that is what I did. Please do not forget to subscribe if you like what you see, like, comment. Also do not forget to press that bell down below. Let's grow together, let's learn together, and I will see you guys on my next video. Please watch this video to an end. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel. Would you be interested on more hair tutorial like this, or you're interested in makeup tutorial or anything else that you really want to learn about? It can be hair, it can be makeup, it can be anything else. As long as I can make it, I will make sure to make it for you guys. So that is all about it, guys, today. Do not forget to share this video with your friends and family. I will see you guys on my next video. Please watch this video to an end. Thank you. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.